What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Street Glide 919, and guess what? We're taking the mufflers off the Miata, or the muffler. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to take it off, but first I want to do a real quick startup so you can see what the stock sounds like, and then when we take it off, you're going to know what it sounds like with it off. Motherfucker. If you ain't got the stuff to get your shit off, then you just got to use percussion. That's the way I do it. Alright, let's see if it works. That one was a little bit easier. Oh, that's fucking perfect. That's easy. Now I just gotta get it out of. Now I just gotta get it out of that right there. That is just not coming off. I'm gonna try everything. I'm gonna try to put a screwdriver in it. It just isn't coming. There's just. I'll tell you what, the Japanese wanted them things to stay on. That's for sure. Alright, so after a few minutes of trying to get the rubber mounts off, they're not coming off. I don't have the tools to get them off that I know of. I don't believe I have anything. Now I can see it is freaking sweltering out here. It's the South. What are you gonna do? But what I'm gonna do is actually, I already took the pipe off, so I'm still gonna let you hear what it sounds like without the pipe on it. You know, I just disconnected it, and then I'm going to take it to my buddy's house probably tomorrow, and then we're gonna go and take it off and ride around like that. And I'm gonna try to get another pipe to run the same without no muffler, because I don't want to look stupid. I don't want it to be hidden away from anybody. I actually want it to be seen, so that's what I'm doing. I might even ride like this for a little while. That sumbitch ain't coming off, so or I might just put it back on, because I don't want that shit to be clunking around and everybody hear and be like, man, that's just a raggedy piece of shit. But that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I hope you like this video. I'm gonna do a quick startup and let you hear what it sounds like. I honestly don't think it sounds bad at all. I actually think it sounds pretty good. Please subscribe. Please hit that like, give me a big thumb up if you like the video, and have a great day. So I want to thank everybody who checked out my daughter's video of her shifting the gears. That was a fun video, and it got 250 views. and it's still climbing. So hopefully that's the kickoff video for everything else, and I'll be sure to have more to come. Just check me out, and if you haven't seen any of my older videos, check those out as well. I'm gonna go get cleaned up. Thanks, guys.